Picture this. A single piece of content that takes 15 minutes to create, using artificial intelligence, generates over 10 million views and earns its creator $50,000 in just 2 weeks. Sound impossible? 3 months ago, a creator named Sarah employed the exact AI strategies I'm about to reveal to you, and her throwaway TikTok video about organizing with AI tools went viral, far exceeding her wildest dreams. She went from struggling to pay rent to launching her own digital course empire, all because she understood something most creators completely miss about viral content creation. What if I told you that going viral isn't about luck, timing, or even having the perfect idea? What if I told you that there's actually a science behind viral content and artificial intelligence has cracked the code? Today, I'm going to pull back the curtain and reveal the AI secrets that the top 1% of content creators use to create viral moments on demand. My name is AI Moniee, and over the past 2 years, I've helped thousands of creators transform their content strategy using artificial intelligence. I've personally generated over 50 million views across various platforms, and more importantly, I've turned those views into a 7-figure online business. The strategies you're about to learn aren't just theoretical, they're the same methods I use every single day to create content that not only goes viral, but also converts viewers into paying customers. But here's what most people get completely wrong about viral content. They think it's about dancing trends, clickbait thumbnails, or posting at the perfect time. Those things might give you a temporary boost, but they won't build you a sustainable business. Real viral content that creates lasting wealth follows specific psychological patterns that AI can now identify and replicate with surgical precision. Let me start by revealing the first AI secret that changed everything for me. It's called the emotion prediction algorithm, and it's hiding in plain sight inside tools you probably already have access to. Most creators select topics based on what they believe is interesting to them. Still, artificial intelligence can analyze millions of pieces of viral content to predict precisely which emotions will elicit the most engagement. Here's how this works in practice. Instead of brainstorming content ideas from scratch, I feed prompts into AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude, which ask them to analyze trending topics through the lens of human psychology. I'll say something like, analyze the top performing content in the productivity niche this week and identify the specific emotional triggers that drove engagement. The AI responds with incredibly detailed insights about the fear of missing out, social validation, transformation anxiety, and achievement pride. But here's where it gets really powerful. I then ask the AI to create content frameworks that specifically target these emotional triggers. For example, suppose the analysis reveals that transformation anxiety is driving engagement in my niche. In that case, I'll have the AI create a video structure that begins with a relatable problem, introduces a shocking solution, provides step-by-step guidance, and concludes with a vision of the transformed future state. The second AI secret involves what I call viral pattern recognition. Every piece of content that goes viral follows specific structural patterns, and AI tools can identify these patterns faster than any human could. I utilize a combination of AI analytics tools and custom prompts to reverse engineer viral content in my niche. Here's my exact process. I collect the top 50 performing pieces of content from the past 30 days across TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram in my target niche. Then I feed the titles, descriptions, and key points into an AI analysis tool. I ask the AI to identify common patterns in structure, language, timing, and emotional progression. And what comes back is like having a viral content blueprint. For instance, the AI might reveal that 90% of viral productivity content follows this pattern: a shocking statistic, a personal story, 3 actionable tips, social proof, and a call to action. Armed with this knowledge, I can create content that follows proven viral formulas while still maintaining my unique voice and perspective. The third secret is something I call AI audience psychology mapping. Most creators guess what their audience wants, but AI can actually map the psychological profile of your ideal viral audience with incredible accuracy. I utilize AI tools to analyze the comment sections, engagement patterns, and behavioral data of viral content within my niche. This reveals fascinating insights about what motivates my audience to share content. For example, AI analysis showed me that my audience shares content when they feel like insiders accessing exclusive information, when they can use the content to boost their own social status, or when the content validates a belief they already hold but couldn't articulate. Once I understand these psychological drivers, I craft content that specifically triggers sharing behavior. I might start a video by saying something like, I'm about to share a strategy that most gurus charge thousands for, but I'm giving it away free because I believe everyone deserves financial freedom. This taps into the exclusive information trigger while also providing social validation. Now let me reveal the fourth AI secret that most creators overlook entirely. Algorithmic timing optimization. The algorithm isn't just about when you post, it's about understanding the complex interplay between content freshness, audience behavior patterns, and platform preferences. AI tools can analyze these variables in real time and recommend optimal posting strategies. I use AI to analyze when my specific audience is most likely to engage with different types of content. The AI considers factors such as day of the week, time of day, content length, topic category, and even emotional tone. What I discovered shocked me. My audience engages differently with the duplicate content depending on when it's posted. For example, motivational content performs best on Monday mornings, tactical tutorials work better on Wednesday afternoons, and behind-the-scenes content gets the most engagement on weekends. However, here's the advanced strategy. I utilize AI to create content calendars that sequence different content types to maximize algorithmic momentum. The fifth secret involves AI-powered hook optimization. The first 3 seconds of your content determine whether someone scrolls past or stops to watch, and AI can help you craft hooks that grab attention like a magnet. I've developed a system using AI that creates and tests multiple hook variations for every piece of content. Here's how it works. I describe my video concept to an AI tool and ask it to generate 20 different hook options targeting different psychological triggers. Some hooks focus on curiosity gaps, others on social proof, transformation promises, or fear-based motivation. Then I test these hooks with small audiences to see which ones generate the highest watch time and engagement. But the real magic happens when you combine multiple hooks into what I call a hook sequence. Instead of just having one strong opening line, I create the first 30 seconds as a series of escalating hooks that make it almost impossible for viewers to scroll away. The sixth AI secret is trend prediction and timing. While everyone else is chasing trends after they've already peaked, AI can help you identify and ride trends while they're still building momentum. I utilize AI tools to analyze search patterns, social media conversations, and content performance data, enabling me to identify emerging trends before they gain momentum. The key is not just identifying trends, but understanding how to position your content to benefit from the trend wave. AI helps me create content that connects trending topics to my niche in authentic ways, providing genuine value to my audience. For example, when AI analysis showed me that quiet quitting was about to become a significant trend, I created content about quiet earning using AI tools to build passive income streams. This connected to the trend while staying true to my niche and provided unique value that couldn't be found elsewhere. The seventh secret involves AI-assisted optimization of storytelling. Stories are the backbone of viral content, but most people tell boring stories that don't create emotional investment. AI can help you structure stories using proven narrative frameworks that maximize engagement and retention. I feed story ideas into AI tools and ask them to restructure the narratives using frameworks like the hero's journey, the before and after transformation, or the shocking revelation pattern. The AI helps me identify the most compelling elements of my stories and arrange them in sequences that build tension and deliver satisfying payoffs. But here's the advanced technique. I use AI to create story banks. I document enjoyable experiences, lessons learned, and transformation moments, then have AI help me craft these into engaging story frameworks that I can adapt for different pieces of content. The eighth AI secret is cross-platform content multiplication. Instead of creating separate content for each platform, I utilize AI to help me build a single piece of core content that can be intelligently adapted for multiple platforms, while maintaining each platform's unique requirements and audience preferences. I start with a comprehensive piece of content, then use AI to break it down into platform-specific variations. For TikTok, the AI helps me create short, punchy versions with strong visual elements. For YouTube, it helps me expand the content with detailed explanations and examples. For Instagram, it optimizes for visual storytelling and carousel formats. This approach enables me to maximize the reach and impact of every content idea while minimizing the time investment required to maintain a presence across multiple platforms. The ninth secret involves AI-powered engagement amplification. Creating viral content is only half the battle. You also need to maximize engagement to signal to the algorithm that your content deserves wider distribution. AI can help you craft engagement strategies that encourage meaningful interactions. I use AI to generate thoughtful questions, create conversation starters, and develop community challenges that encourage my audience to engage deeply with my content. The AI analyses which types of engagement prompts work best for different content types and audience segments. For example, tutorial content gets more engagement when I ask viewers to share their results in the comments. In contrast, motivational content performs better when I invite people to share their goals or challenges. The final AI secret I want to share is revenue integration strategy. Viral content means nothing if it doesn't translate into income, and AI can help you weave monetization opportunities into your content in ways that feel natural and valuable rather than pushy or sales-focused. I utilize AI to pinpoint natural points in my content where I can effectively introduce relevant products, services, or affiliate recommendations without compromising the viewer's experience. The AI helps me craft transitions that effectively connect content value to monetization opportunities in authentic ways. The key is to provide so much value up front that when you do present a monetization opportunity, your audience sees it as a natural extension of the value you've already delivered rather than an interruption or sales pitch. Now that you understand these 10 AI secrets, let me give you the implementation framework that ties everything together. Success with AI-powered viral content creation isn't about using every tool and technique at once. It's about systematically implementing these strategies in a way that compounds your results over time. Start by mapping audience psychology and predicting emotions to understand what drives engagement in your niche, and then implement pattern recognition to understand the structures of viral content. Add algorithmic timing optimization to maximize your content's reach. Layer in hook optimization and storytelling frameworks to maximize retention. Finally, integrate cross-platform multiplication and revenue strategies to turn views into income. The creators who master these AI secrets don't just go viral once, they build sustainable systems that consistently generate viral content while also building profitable businesses. The opportunity to leverage AI for content creation has never been greater, but it won't last forever as more creators discover these strategies. Your journey to viral content success starts with implementing just one of these secrets in your next piece of content. Choose the strategy that resonates most with your current situation and commit to mastering it over the next 30 days. Remember, every viral creator started with a single piece of content that changed everything.